Today we're building a real Python project in under 2 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working to-do list app that saves tasks, loads them automatically, lets you add, delete, and view tasks, and stores everything in a file. And this is just week 1 of the series, one Python project every week. Let's build it. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this series, we build one practical Python project every single week. No theory overload. Just real, useful things you can add to your portfolio. Today, a command line to-do app. Let's start. Create a new file called to-do, py. Now let's start with a simple loop that keeps our program running. Run it. Now we have a working menu system. Let's store tasks in a list. Now modify the add option. Now let S display tasks. And now we have a working in-memory to-do app. Replace delete section with, now we can add and remove tasks dynamically. Right now, tasks disappear when we close the program. Let's fix that. Step 1, save function. Add this function. Now after adding or deleting a task, call save_tasks. Step 2, load tasks on startup. Add this function. Now inside main, before the loop, load _task. Now your tasks are permanently saved. You can briefly refactor into separate functions. View _tasks, add _task, delete _task. This makes your code cleaner and more professional. Congratulations. You just built a menu system, file handling, error handling, persistent data storage, a real usable app. And this is only week 1. Now here is your challenge. Add a mark as completed feature. Comment below if you finished it. Next week, we're building a password generator, and it'll introduce randomness and better input validation. If you want to follow this week's journey, subscribe. See you in week 2.